In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete photos from your iPhone so they're completely removed and no longer taking up storage space. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now go to the photo or video you want to delete. For this tutorial, I'll delete 4 photos. Tap the trash icon at the bottom right, then tap Delete Photo. At this point, the image is not permanently deleted yet. It actually moves to a folder called Recently Deleted and stays there for 30 days. To remove it permanently, go back to the main Photos menu and scroll down until you see Recently Deleted under Utilities. Tap on it. Your iPhone may ask for Face ID or your password. Inside this folder, you'll see all the photos you deleted recently. To permanently erase a single photo, tap the image, then tap Delete again. If you want to remove everything at once, tap Select in the top corner, then choose Delete All. Confirm the action, and that's it. Your photos are now permanently deleted from your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.